Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and as a practicing chiropractor who deals with pain on a regular basis, and as somebody who's a total physiology geek, this article is completely off the mark. They're talking about taking over-the-counter painkillers incorrectly and about overdosing on NSAIDs and how acetaminophen can damage your kidney. The reality is, personally, I haven't taken anything like this in 35 years, despite multiple martial arts injuries. But the reality is that NSAIDs, so ibuprofen, and then prescription, you've got meloxicam, indomethacin, damage the GI tract, the kidneys, the liver, the joints, the cardiovascular system, and they most likely inhibit your ability to heal. So you're really throwing a wrench in the works. Tylenol, or acetaminophen, has a lifetime high risk of kidney failure.